Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to attach a document to your calendar and share with others. First, you're going to want to pull up your calendar. You'll see mine is on January 2020. Now, let's set up an event. First, I'm going to go to January 31st because that's the day I want to set it up for. I'm going to click on it and you'll see the add title and time and some other options. You're going to go to the lower right hand corner and hit more options. Once that happens, a whole page is going to come up and we're going to add our title. So for example, we're going to say summer orientation schedule. The date is January 31st to 31st. It's going to be all day and does not repeat. Our location can be the gym. If this was not a face-to-face meeting, we could add conferencing and click Hangouts if we needed to be. We could add notifications if we needed to. This is coming from my email. Now as we go down, before add a description, you're going to see this paperclip button. This is where we can add attachments. So we're going to go ahead and hit the button and a pop-up's going to come up and you're going to be able to select different files from your Google Drive. You'll be able to go to Recent, My Drive, Shared with Me, or Upload, or even Search. Since my summer orientation schedule is recent, I can just click on it and hit select. Now my summer orientation has been added to my event. Now, so other guests that must be attending this event want to see, I need to go to the right hand corner of this page and underneath guests hit add guests. For example, I'm going to use my school ID. So now you'll see my Gmail is the original organizer and this new email is a guest. Now they'll be sent a notification about the summer orientation schedule and they will receive that and a document has been attached to this. Now you need to make sure everything is not on private so that way they're able to see it. Once all this is added, you're going to go to the top right hand corner and hit save. And this is asking me, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? And you're going to hit send so that way they all get it. And now someone needs to access this file and that you're going to see my email I added and I'm going to have it turn link sharing on so anyone with the link can view it. And I'm going to hit invite. And now you can see on the 31st, I have summer orientation schedule set up and you can see how I have the name, the date, the location, the guests, who's the organizer, who are my guests, and my attachments here. So that's all you need to know, and I hope this was helpful.